And when I was a baby and I came out of mom's belly, my dad said, how about Olivia? And my mom said, let me think about that. And I said, yeah. And she said, yeah. That's how I first named Olivia. Olivia. I'm not in kindergarten yet. My mom said I'm going to be in kindergarten in a few weeks. I love Southfield School because I like going to math fun. We do games with Miss C, and she teaches me lots of stuff, and all my friends too. I love Southfield School. I like snack time. We only eat the beans. The edamame beans are so good that I can't even stop eating edamame. Can't even stop eating it. Sometimes we read books. We learn about the alphabet because we just read Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Purple's my mom's favorite color. I like pink and all of the colors of the rainbow. I could almost balance that on my head. Oops, almost. Crayons always roll off my head. We're all friends at Southfield School.